Hello everybody, I'm Michael of MJ Hair Designs, and I'm here to show you how to touch up your own roots, your hair color, that is. The first thing you want to do is you want to create a part that goes all the way from the front of your hairline, in the middle, all the way to the nape, and section things in two. The next thing you want to do is you want to put on your gloves. You're going to mix part 1, which is peroxide, to the color part 2. You're going to mix this really, really super well. Now you're going to take your color and your brush. You're going to put a little color on the brush, and you're going to start with the hairline. For those of you who might get a little sloppy, if you want to put a little skin lotion around the hairline but not touching the hairline itself, you can do that so that you don't get a stain on the forehead. So you're putting color on all the way around the hairline. You're going to start at the root here, in the middle part. You're going to put some color right on the middle part. Right on the middle part. Once you have covered all of the hairline, all the way around, down to the nape, and the middle part, you only want to touch up where it's grown out. You're going to pull this clip off, and you're going to make a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch parting, depending on how thick your hair is, partings. And you're going to just lay a little bit of color right there at the roots. Don't worry if there's a little overlap, but you do want to try and focus strictly on the root. And when I say overlap, where it's already colored, if you get a little color on that, it's all right. But try not to get it there. Try to just focus on the regrowth. Bring it all down. We'll do the other side. I would hit the roots one last time in the front hairline, so that you cover really super well. If you want to resaturate one last time for security and to make sure you got all the roots and you didn't miss anything, go ahead, no problem. Now what you do is you let this wait, you let it sit for a good 45 minutes. I would say let it sit for almost an hour. And then what you'll do is you'll rinse it with warm water at a very high velocity. Get it all out of the hair before you shampoo it. Wash it twice and condition it, and you should be good to go.